State line and rain line to our south. That'll kind of flirt with our Indiana state line counties as we head towards sunrise for tomorrow. Temperatures don't really drop much with the cloud cover tonight and the snow. Look for 26 degrees, only a couple degrees lower than our high. Those winds picking up out of the east-southeast. And then for tomorrow, as I said, here comes that dry slot. So there may be a period where we don't see a whole lot of precip at all. And that period could be kind of accentuated with some sleet and rain, as you can see. In fact, look at the rain snow line, how far north it goes now. This is kind of a change since yesterday. It looks like even as far north as places like Fremont and maybe even Hart, we might mix with or change with rain for a brief period of time. Then it looks like we're back to snow by dinner time on your Saturday afternoon. With that strong west to northwest wind coming across the lake and the cold air, lake effect will kick in for the overnight and into Sunday morning. Even at 11 a.m. on Sunday, we're still getting some light lake effect snow in parts of the area. So with the system snow before the lake effect begins, look at these totals. Pretty impressive. This is going to be wet, heavy stuff. We're looking at anywhere from right around 5 to 7 inches or so across the area. Then we kick in that lake effect, and our grand totals could approach 8, maybe 9 inches in some of our northern counties. 8.5 in GR. We're talking 6, 7 inches along the Indiana state line. South Haven, Benton Harbor, close to 6 inches as well. But keep in mind, when we do have those temperatures getting up into the mid, maybe even upper 30s during the midday hours tomorrow, and then a little bit of that rain mixing in, some of this will actually melt. So we may not see 8 inches on the ground altogether. It might be more like 4 to 6. By the time all is said and done for most of us. So once again, your Saturday snow looking like this. It begins in the late evening tonight. It could be a bit of a wintry mix or rain at times on Saturday with a period of little or no precip at all, actually. And this, once again, is going to be wet, heavy snow. And I can't emphasize this point enough because we haven't had a lot of this wet, heavy type snow yet. So if you're going to be out shoveling that stuff tomorrow afternoon, for example, take it easy, take plenty of breaks because it's going to be pretty exhausting to remove this stuff if you're doing it by hand. Fox 17 7-day planner, 28 today, 26 tonight, 37 degrees for tomorrow. So again, with some of that rain mixing into the milder temps, a little bit of midday milting and compaction is likely on your Saturday. Then the lake effect kicks in. Saturday night, we drop to 19, and highs are only in the mid-20s on Sunday, and we stay roughly in that ballpark for highs Monday and Tuesday. Some of that lake effect continues on Monday. By Tuesday, though, looks partly cloudy and cold with a high of 24 and a low all the way down to 9. Then we're back to the low to mid-30s by the middle of next week.
All right, Ty, thanks for that.